Here we are. And I'm gonna put the board on, and I'm just gonna put this exhaust flange on it. From this point to this point is 9 inches. So there it is.